If you want your hair to grow faster or your child hair, try this method. Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my videos. So guys, in this video I want to make my hair, I want to treat my hair. So this is my hair, so I want to treat it. I want to make a faster hair growth oil, guys. So guys, in this video I am going to be making a hair growth oil. Okay, this is massive hair growth oil. When I mean massive hair growth oil, this is what my mother, my grandmother has used to grow their hair. Okay, I think most of you guys have known this oil. Okay, this is palm kernel oil. So it's for palm fruit. Okay, there is one oil that I buy. I normally see their advert, you know, even on YouTube. There's one lady that recommend the hair cream to me, you know, he recommend the hair cream for me. So she asked me to buy it. It's very good for hair growth, you know. So the hair cream name is Patana oil, you know, or hair cream. So I have the hair cream at home. It's very small. The bottle is just like this, or it's almost like this, you know. I bought it almost 20 something euro, you know. So when I started using that oil, I now noticed the scent. Everything about the oil is this thing here you are seeing. It's just palm kernel. The thing scent like palm kernel. When you put it in your hand, everything just like palm kernel, you know. So that's it. So I now remember that back then, this is what my mother used to use to grow my hair, you know, because when I was a baby or when I was a little girl, my hair was very long and full, you know. So this is what my mother used to use. Okay, she's not using all those stuff that I'm using now. All right. So I am going to be adding in palm kernel oil. I will not leave the nail. You guys should just wash. Okay, so you guys should screenshots. Okay, I hope you guys are seeing it. Jojoba oil. So you can use citric or essential oil. So this is it. Just be screenshotting, you know. The next one is this. Just be screenshotting, or you write the name down. That's why you are seeing me doing it like this. All right. So I was having the trio, just that Co has buy my aloe vera. So this is the one that I gained out of my aloe vera tree. So Co has buy it ahead. So I've washed them. All right. So the main ingredient is this moringa powder. Just stay tuned and watch how I will do it. See, it's moringa powder. All right. I hope you guys are seeing everything. So the next powder is alum. So let's dive into the video. All right, so remove all this one that is not working. All those buy one. I am done slicing, so I am going to blend everything. I'm going to blend this aloe vera you are seeing here. If coconut oil is good on your hair, you are free to add in coconut oil. All right, it's time to blend it. So this is it. It's only oil. It's time to add in our stuff that I blend. Okay, I am going to be adding a teaspoon of moringa powder. You have to reduce your gas to a very low heat. Also a teaspoon. It's ready, so I just turn off my gas. I'll leave it to cool down a bit before sieving it. All right. This is our oil. Are you seeing it? It looks so pure. Are you seeing it? I'll show you guys everything before. If you want your hair to grow faster or your child hair, try this method. Try this, so it's going to work for you. Okay, hair growth journey is not something that work for you for just a period of 1 day or 1 month. So it's something of consistency. All right. So it's time to add in our jojoba oil. I want to use everything. Essential oil. It's castor oil, so I'm going to be adding castor oil. palm kernel oil. So this is it. I still have a little one here, so it's the same oil. It's for pantry. Okay, so I want to add it. I want to add a bit to it. Are you seeing it? It's dark. In case if you don't have this palm kernel at home, so you are free to skip it. All right, so we have to mix everything now. I have to mix everything together. I don't think it will dissolve fast, so I want to use double